guys and girls, I thought we would kick off the new year by featuring the Estetica Designs Smokehouse colors. And I wanted to show you two of the new colors on the popular Orchid wig from their Natural collection. This is Smokehouse color Lilac Haze. And when I show you this color outside later in the video, you will definitely see that it does have lilac mixed in. Now, the color I have on is Icy Shadow. This is a very dynamic, very edgy color, and we'll get into it a little bit more later. But Orchid is a long, voluminous style with loose, flowing waves. The style features face framing layers and side fringe, as you can see, which complements the eye and the jawline. Orchid has a monofilament left-hand side part, a lace front, and an open cap so that you have air circulation and plenty of scalp coolness. Well, let's take a look at this style closer, as well as Lilac Haze and Icy Shadow. Orchid's wig cap features a 100% hand-tied lace front, which provides an almost invisible hairline. The left-hand side monofilament part is also hand-tied and gives the look of hair growing right out of your scalp. There are adjustable ear tabs on either side. The sides and the back are open wefted for scalp coolness, and the sleek nape in the back has bra-like adjustable straps, which can change the circumference of the wig cap up to ½ an inch. Well, here is Orchid in Icy Shadow, and this style is just so flattering with the layers and the face framing fringe. Orchid is made of synthetic fiber, which feels very soft and silky to the touch. I actually like the density and the feel of this fiber, as it's very similar to human hair. Orchid's cap size is average, which fits a head measuring 22 inches in circumference. This is circumference, which is exactly my head size. Now this wig fits me perfectly right out of the box without moving the adjustable straps. While the cap has a little bit of stretch, I don't know that it would work well for someone with a larger than average head size. Orchid features a hand-tied temple-to-temple lace front. Look at this lace front. It is very well done. The monofilament part is also hand-tied on the left and gives the appearance of natural hair growth at the part. Let me show you this beautiful style from all sides. The front, left side, the back, right side, Orchid's front fringe measures 9 inches long. The sides measure 10 inches in length. The crown measures 12 inches long. The nape measures 13 inches long. Weighing in at 4.3 ounces, this is a wig with plenty of density that can be worn daily. I wanted to take Orchid off to show you better the color that's very multi-dimensional and dynamic on this Icy Shadow. As you can see, the base and the nape is the brown shade, and then it's topped with the iced blonde and the sand blonde. And as you get to the roots, you have a brown root. Now the root is more like maybe an 8, definitely not as dark as a 4 or 2. Here is Orchid in the beautiful new color Lilac Haze. Now this is white and gray blended with lilac, and It is not a rooted color. I'm wearing Orchid in Lilac Haze to show you some of the styling options. Now, Orchid looks really cute tucked behind the ear, and if you have dark sideburns like I do, you can leave a little bit of the side fringe out in front to help conceal those. Or of course, you could always shave or wax your sideburns. You also have the option of placing this beautiful style into an updo for just a more sophisticated, elegant look. If you're interested in purchasing Orchid in any of the beautiful Estetica Design colors, including the new Smokehouse colors, you'll want to check out pinkypromise.com. They have excellent customer service and free shipping. When you visit their homepage, scroll down to the bottom, sign up for the mailing list. You'll receive a 30% discount code good on your first purchase, plus you'll receive email alerts about wig brand sales and brand new releases. If you have questions about the style or the color, I'm more than happy to answer. Please leave them in the comments section below the video. Well, thank you so much for watching my wig review and a review of these beautiful Smokehouse colors. Have a great day. Bye-bye.